everybody, welcome back. Today I'm just going to be showing you my glazing combination on this little moon vase that I had posted a video on making. What I've done is just glaze the bottom with a matte stain finish, and the top I've used traditional glazes. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope it inspires you to mix up some of your glaze combinations, and I look forward to showing you. So let's get started. So you just want to take a damp sponge and just lightly go over your pot. So you're taking any little dry bits of dust. I apply my first coat of stain with a small brush so that I can get it into each of the grooves. So I mix dry white clay, water and potter's stain into a runny mix, and you'll want to apply it all over evenly. Using a larger soft brush, I apply a second and sometimes a third coat of the stain. This way you'll get a really nice deep colour and a good finish. To help my glazes run, I apply a light flux around the edges of the design and also the top of my pot. I sometimes also dab it in areas on the pot to help the glazes blend together. Using my Mako fan brush, I apply my first colour, which is AMO Obsidian, around the top edges over the flux. So work your way around all of the edges of the pot. The next colour is Lagona's Power Turquoise. I overlap the obsidian and apply this around the outside of the pot. So work your way around the vase, overlapping the obsidian with this beautiful colour. Next I'm applying Spectrum's Floating Glaze Morning Glory. So leave your first coat to dry before applying your second coat. I repeat the layers of each colour and apply a second coat. Each colour I overlap with the other colour so that they blend together on their edges. Now for a little colour pop, I'm filling it in with Lagona's Lime Green. So let it dry and apply a second coat. When they're all dry, you pop it into the kiln for firing. I fire my pots to cone 5 to 5.5.